The COVID-19 pandemic has wreaked havoc on our education system. The Gates Foundation estimates that the loss of time has set us back approximately 25 years in terms of development. As educators, we can see a noticeable difference between 11-year-olds entering secondary school now compared to their peers 2 years ago. Our children are less able to read and write and solve basic math problems. So how then do we begin to catch up and close the gap? Well, one of the ways we can do this is by being very deliberate in the tools we use to teach our children. In fact, one of the skills which has often been overlooked even before the pandemic is the skill of how to learn, or metacognitive skills. Children need to be taught how to learn explicitly. They shouldn't have to guess or to struggle with the idea of how exactly they learn. Instead, they should be taught at a very young age those strategies that separate a good learner from a struggling learner. In this workshop, Joie Innovative Learning Solutions does just that. It teaches children the strategies that they need to use so that they can learn and succeed in any activity or any subject. The 4-day workshop will be offered from April 11th to April 22nd. Parents can sign up for either week 1 or week 2 of the program. Information to sign up is on our website at www.thelearninghub.io. Thank you, and we look forward to empowering our children everywhere with the tools needed to succeed.